Ready for the final step in building your native app? Your app is one step away from launch. Let's move to app testing and building. Go to the Build section. Click the gear icon to enter your company name and brand name. Below that, add your web URL and check the auto-generated deep link. No website? Use any random URL. Now, set up your Android info. In Package ID, enter your Google Play Store app URL. Add your app name. Upload your app icon and notification icon. Make sure that the format is PNG and the size is 1024 by 1024. Customize the app icon background. Then hit Save. For iOS setup, complete 3 steps. Choose between individual or organization. For the rest, ensure all info is accurate to avoid build errors. Time to test. Start with Android. It's quicker. Your app will be ready in less than 10 minutes. Choose Android Release Format APK. The APK lets you test your app on a device. Add release name and description if needed. Click Build Your App to begin. A checklist will appear. Green means you're ready to build, and red means you have to fix what's required. Wait a few minutes and your build will be ready. Once built, your APK will be available. Click Download or scan the QR code to test it. You can delete or restore versions using the button Load App configuration. To test iOS, install Test Flight on your device. Then choose iOS Release Format Test Flight and click Build Your App. Congrats! Your app is now ready to launch on the App Store and Google Play Store.